So many people talk about making money with ChatGPT, but few actually know how. Today I'll show you one of the simplest, most powerful ways to turn ChatGPT into a real income tool. No design skills, no paid software, just you, ChatGPT, and a few smart steps that anyone can follow. Before we dive in, quick note, I'm not promising instant income or guaranteed results, but what I can promise is that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and sell a professional digital product using ChatGPT, step by step. Let's start with what we're creating, a complete, polished ebook, cover, chapters, images, and layout, all generated with ChatGPT. Then we'll upload and sell it on Etsy. The crazy part? This process takes less than 15 minutes once you know how to do it. First, we need to find what kind of ebook actually sells. Open ChatGPT and type, "What are the top-selling ebook topics on Etsy right now?" It'll give you a list. Things like side hustles, wellness, marketing templates, or recipe guides. But instead of picking something broad, ask ChatGPT to niche down further. For example, instead of travel, try minimalist one-bag travel. The goal is to find topics that are specific and in demand. Next, validate your ideas. Go to Etsy and search for the niche you're considering. For instance, low-content book ideas. Look for listings with good reviews and steady sales. If you see multiple sellers making money in that niche, that's a green light. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to build the ebook. In ChatGPT, type a detailed prompt such as, "I want to create an ebook titled 500 Low-Content KDP Ideas. Include a cover page, a table of contents, and 5 chapters with text and images. Make it look professional and ready to sell." ChatGPT will generate your cover and all the pages automatically. You can customize the design style by asking for a more professional or cinematic look, whatever fits your theme. After generating all the pages, use a free site like smallpdf.com to combine them into a single PDF file. That's your finished product of an entire ebook created with AI in minutes. Now, we need a mock-up to display it on Etsy. Upload your cover image to ChatGPT and ask it to create a mock-up of your ebook on an iPad or tablet with a clean background. This makes your product look real and visually appealing to buyers. Then go to Etsy.com and create your account if you don't already have one. In your shop manager, click Add Listing. Choose Digital Product and fill in the details. Use ChatGPT again to craft your Etsy title and description. Just tell it to write a high-converting Etsy listing for your ebook title. Upload your mock-up as the display image. Add your finished PDF file and set your price. When choosing a price, check what similar ebooks are selling for. If others are around $3, start there. You can always increase it later as your shop grows. Because these ebooks are digital, you can sell unlimited copies, so even a few sales per day can add up quickly. That's it. You've just created and listed a complete AI-generated ebook on Etsy without design software, coding, or expensive tools. If this opened your eyes to what's possible with ChatGPT, hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm constantly testing new AI tools that can help you build real digital income streams. And if you want to go even deeper, check out my next video, where I reveal 7 creative ways to use Google's new AI image generator to make money online. Click right here and I'll see you there.